G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're working on the Hyundai Getz again, you know, one of the world's most powerful production cars. Not. Anyway, we had to do something about the exhaust. You saw that abomination of the previous exhaust, and you can't have a track car without it sounding like a track car. So today we're going to show you the custom exhaust we built, how it sounds, and more importantly, what improvements we got. Check this out. She's the duck's guts. Alright, it's the blue demon, the little Getz. We love this little Getz. And this is our track car for our eldest boy, Fred Jr. And you've seen the thumbnail, but have a look at that Supercheap Auto cannon on there. All up, this exhaust cost us $300. So we're pretty happy with that, with some mild steel, bit of welding, resonator, and getting it fitted properly with some gaskets. The job Frankie and I did was not up to scratch. It sounded like Sebastian Lowe, didn't go like Sebastian Lowe. So we actually went into our local exhaust shop and got a bit more fab up done. But you've seen the outside, let's go have a look underneath the car. Well, here we are under the Getz. Got some massive 3.5-inch mandrel bent, mild steel, straight back from the cats. No cats actually, it's a race car. And as you can see, these big mufflers up the back. That's Clooney. It's not the Getz. What are you doing, Fred? Sorry about that bit of tomfoolery on the channel. This is the Getz. So let's see if you can see under there properly. So that's from the cat back. It's 2-inch mild steel. We've got our hot dog here. We've got it flanged, then back up into the cannon. So I've only got the one exhaust on it. Oh, sorry, the one muffler. And just that one resonator. So it sounds a heaps better than what it did. It sounded very raspy before. Well, let's go have a look on the other side. And then it routes up over the rear subframe on the inside of that coil there, and there's the cannon. And we didn't want to cut a big thing out here and look like some of the Skyline boys. We just wanted a dump pipe look, and that's exactly what we've got. So, and it doesn't rattle, and it sounds okay for a little 1.4. And it's actually given us a big power improvement in the mid and the high range, so we'll show you what that looks like. But first of all, let's hear it idling. All right, let's go for a little cold idle start here in the Getz 1.4 twin cam. So it's a little bit different, and it doesn't have that horrible little rasp that it had with the straight throughs. We'll go for a little drive and do some in-car footage, and hopefully put the GoPro on the outside so you can hear it as well. And the GoPros have got a terrible wind disturbance to them, but see how we go. And that's it, just idling on the outside there. So not obnoxious by any stretch of the imagination, and I don't think we'll be picked up for a noise defect on that, which is good. But yeah, let's go for a drive. Alright, so we'll just do a little takeoff here so you can hear the Getz. Junior. It's an entry-level track car. Yeah, it's good fun though. The pedal design on these Getz is really close, so it's really easy to heel and tow. Get your skills up for the track. Doesn't make up for our lack of suspension though. Well, these two certainly enjoy the new sound of the exhaust. All good. Hope you enjoyed that episode. Short, sharp. Frankie's coming over today and we're going to do some more work on the VE. Got to do a brake overhaul, which will be fun. Fix up the rear bar after my incident. Isn't that right, Charlie? But also, we've got some more mods coming up on the Getz. So I've got some coilovers, some wheels and tyres, bushes, sway bars, and tighten this whole car up. And then hopefully get the race seat in it, and then hit the track. Don't do it for Dale, do it for Brocky. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Another episode coming on the VE.